Moral Science. Let's begin with lesson number 2. Students, the lesson could be summarized to the given points. 1. Our view about religion. Point number 2. One should keep one's mind under control. Third, to understand single-mindedness. Fourth, education is to defend religion and not to amass wealth. 5. Religion gives us peace. Patience is a virtue. It curbs anger. Our view about religion. Religion is man's heart. The essence, that is importance of religion, is kindness, love, patience, tolerance. Telling a lie, taking bribe, underweighing, meaning weighing less than is normal, is also stealing. Gandhiji said, to keep or take a thing which you do not need is stealing. Let's us understand how to keep one's mind under control. One should keep one's mind under control. Self-control is essential for following the right path of religion. Nobody can follow the path of religion until he attains self-control. Self-control is essential for doing our duty. We have to control our senses to do what is required. If we have to discipline our mind with self-control. What do you mean by single-mindedness? There are two aspects of single-mindedness. One, single-minded person is a person who cares about only his own happiness and who will do anything to make himself happy. The good form of single-mindedness is the ability to block out distraction in order to concentrate better. Your desire to become more single-minded will enable you to finish projects with more efficiency in less time. Education is to defend religion and not to amass wealth. How is education important in religion? Greed spoils the surface or appearance of education. Real knowledge leads us to the right path. True knowledge purifies us, enlightens us, and gives us peace and contentment, that is, happiness. It is rightly said that those who have real knowledge have no need to be near kings. Rather, kings need to be near them. Religion gives us peace. Patience is a virtue. It curbs anger. Students, let's understand how religion gives us peace. Religion, however, can play an important role in peace making and conflict prevention. Saints have shown a lot of patience and tolerance. They tried to conquer anger. They knew that to be angry was to avenge, punish a wrongdoing, the fault of others on themselves. Saints knew that if we were right, we could not be angry, and if we were wrong, we could not afford to be angry. The fire of anger is put out by kindness.